Protect me and everyone around me.
Okay, so in this next clip, you're gonna see my dirty, nasty, disgusting, filthy fridge. But then you're going to see that dirty, nasty, disgusting fridge be cleaned out with the help of an idea of a TikToker. Actually, Kilo sent me this TikTok, and it was about, okay, are you struggling with your produce going bad in your fridge because it's hiding, well, there's a produce drawer, and everything seems to get lost and forgotten in there. So, I am going to be turning my side door into my produce door and speed cleaning and cleaning out the fridge and the gunk that people spill. And we've had some picnics, and since then I have not really give my fridge a thorough cleaning, and so that's what I'm going to do here. Let's see how it turns out. Oh my god. Look at all the leftovers in there. Just the freaking pots with the fucking paper on it. I am a freaking mess. Well, I mean, that's what I'm trying to fix right now. My giant mess. Anyway, but yeah, it looks bad. It looks really bad. Just know, like, it's not gonna look like that after. I know better. I know that, like, I'm supposed to, like, take it out the pot and put it in, like, a container and shit. But at the end of the night, after I'm done cooking and cleaning out my kitchen, and washing the dishes and all that, I kind of just fudge it. Let me just take the damn pot and put it all in the fridge. Blah, blah, blah. You know how it goes. You guys know. Okay, so I'm about to clean out the shelves that are in the fridge, and I'm about to show you what I use. I just use a bucket with hot water and some Lysol. Yeah. Okay, so you're about to see me be confused for a second. I'm trying to figure out if I want those um, slides right there. Those, what the hell are they called? I just said it before. I can't even remember. The shelves. Shelves. Yeah, shelves. It's still early. I'm still drinking my coffee, guys, while I'm editing this. I just could not, for the life of me, figure out, like, how did I want to set them up in there. So you're going to see me damn near, like, put myself inside the fridge. There I go, itching my head. Why is that? I still can't figure that out. Why we itch our heads when we're confused. Like, I don't know. Do I want to put it there? I don't know. Let me put it back down. Let me switch this here up here. I'm just trying to figure out the best way to fit the most things on the shelves. And if you see that little piece hanging, yeah, a while back, Lalo had tried to put something in the fridge and broke the drawer. So I have to figure out how to finagle the drawer in there. So I decided, let me put it closer to the other bottom drawers, and boom, that's what I kept it at. But let me just shut up. And then I freaking hit my head. Yeah, you saw that. Okay, so I'm taking all the jars that are small enough, and putting them into the drawer on the bottom. As you see, some stuff doesn't fit, so I'm just going to keep it on one of the shelves. But wait till you see how much room it gave me. Okay, and bam, there it goes. There it be. There is my produce door. And I could put way more stuff on there. But I had to go food shopping. So I went food shopping, came back, and that junk is filled. So I'm happy. Now, when I go in there, I will see all of my fresh fruits and vegetables. They'll be in my face like, hello, Melissa, eat me, eat me. And I won't forget about them because they won't be in the drawer. So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you stayed to the end. And as always, I love you mucho. And I will catch you on the flip side.